Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Bata, handa ka na bang matuto? Nandito si Sir Romel ang makakasama mo para sa ating virtual class. Alam naman natin sa ngayon ay umaharap sa isang malaking pagsubok dulot ng COVID-19. Nandito si Sir Romel para matulungan at magbigyan ka ng kaalaman sa Mathematics 9. Kaya mga bata, mag-ready at sisimulan na natin ang ating aralin. Good day students! Alam ko ready na tayo. Para sa ating week 1, our topic is to illustrate quadratic equation. Alamin natin ngayon ang ating content standard and performance standard. For our content standard, the learner demonstrates understanding of the key concept of quadratic equation, inequalities, function, and rational algebraic expression. For our performance standard, the learner is able to investigate thoroughly mathematical relationships in various equations, formulate real-life problems involving quadratic equations, inequalities, and rational algebraic functions, and solve them using a variety of strategies. Now, ngayon naman, alamin natin ang mga objectives natin or yung mga tunan natin para sa topic na to. For our knowledge objective, recognize and give examples of quadratic equations. For our skills objective, illustrate quadratic equation and write the quadratic equation in standard form. And ang uli nating objective for effective, show accuracy in writing the quadratic equation in standard form. For our review motivation, aalamin natin sa bawat equation which is not belong to the group. Students, pag ready na, we will start now. So you will raise your hand if you want to answer. So for number 1, which is not belong to the group. So bibigyan ko ito 10 seconds para which is not belong to the group. Okay, tingnan natin. So the correct answer is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, yung mga nakakuha, congratulations. For number 2, which is not belong to the group. Okay, 10 seconds. The correct answer is 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, congratulations sa mga nakakuha. For number 3, which is not belong to the group. The correct answer is 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x. Okay, congratulations. Na-observe natin na ang di belong sa group ay yung mga variable na may exponent na 1. Now, we will study the equation whose highest exponent of the variable is 2. So, students, let's begin. So, what is a quadratic equation? First, define muna natin yung quadratic. Quadratic comes from the Latin word quadratum. Ibig sabihin nun ay square. So kapag ang highest exponent ng variable ay 2, this is a quadratic equation. So the definition of quadratic equation is an equation where the highest exponent of the variable is 2. So for example, we have here for equation Kung mapapansin nyo, ang bawat exponent ng variable x ay 2. Pinamataas ay 2. So, these are all quadratic equations. Para sa ating activity, so meron tayong 5 equation. So, ang gagawin natin, i-group natin kung quadratic or not quadratic. So, i-ready ang ating papel and ballpen para i-group na natin. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 seconds. So, simulan na natin. Okay. So, for first equation, 7x squared minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Anyone who will identify kung quadratic or not quadratic? Okay. Yes. So, the correct answer is quadratic. So, congratulations. For second equation, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is it quadratic or not quadratic? Okay, yes. The answer is not quadratic. Okay, congratulations. For third equation, 8x raised to 3 plus x minus 4x squared is equal to 0. Anyone? So, yes. So, quadratic ba or not quadratic? Okay, the answer is not quadratic. Bakit? Kasi kahit na mayroon siya exponent na 2, pero tingnan mo yung pinakamataas na exponent ng variable x. So, ang pinakamataas is 3. So, still not quadratic pa rin siya. Okay, next. 5x squared plus 9x is equal to 0. Okay, yes. The answer is quadratic. Okay, congratulations. And last equation, x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it quadratic or not quadratic? Anyone? Okay, so the answer is quadratic. Okay, congratulations. Got 5. Okay, very good. 4. Very good. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good. At least nag-try tayo. So, ipunin nyo lang yan. So, mamaya, i-upload natin lahat ng scores nyo. Okay. Now, so alam na natin ang quadratic equation. We will proceed now to standard form of quadratic equation. Ano ba yung standard form? So, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then, yung ax squared natin, yung first term, ang tawag natin dyan ay quadratic term. Then, yung bx naman natin, ang tawag natin dyan ay linear term. Then, yung c naman, ang tawag natin dyan ay constant term. Kung mapapansin nyo, may a, b, and c. So, yung a, yan yung numerical ng beside x squared. Yung b naman, yung numerical beside variable x. Then yung c, yung may walang variable na kasama. So, positive yan or negative. So, tandaan natin, lagi mauuna ang quadratic term, followed by the linear term, and followed by the constant term. Then, i-equate natin into 0. Okay, remember the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, let's proceed now to example number 1. 2x squared plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. So first, investigate muna natin kung naka-standard form. Nauna ba ang quadratic term? So tingnan nyo, yung 2x squared ba quadratic term? Okay, yes. About linear term, kasunod ba yung linear term? Okay, yes. How about the constant term? Nahuli ba yung constant term? Yes. Then, equate nyo into 0. Pag ganyan, no need to rearrange the quadratic equation. So, doon na natin identify yung A, yung B, and yung C. Anyone from this class? Okay, wants to identify the values of A, B, and C. Okay, yes? Okay, the value of A is 2. Good. The value of B is equal to 5. And the value of C is equal to negative 9. Okay, very good. Okay, next example. Number 2. X squared minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, examine nyo muna. Nauna ba ang ax squared? Okay. Kung yes, anong napansin nyo sa numerical? May nakikita ba kayong numerical? Okay, wala. So, ibig sabihin, meron pa rin yung numerical kahit wala tayong nakikita. Ano kaya ang numerical? Yes, okay, tama. Ang numerical niya ay 1. Okay, followed by the linear term. Okay, kasunod ang linear term. And last yung constant term. Then, equal natin to 0. So, doon na natin identify yung A, yung B, and yung C. So, anyone, sino magbibigay ng values ng A, B, and C? Okay. Yes, the value of A is equal to 1. The value of B is equal to negative 7. Huwag yung kakalimutan yung sign na kung positive or negative. And the value of C is equal to positive 4. Okay, very good sa nakakuha. Okay, next example tayo. Number 3. 9x squared plus x is equal to 0. Okay, nauna ba ang quadratic term? Okay, good. How about the linear term? Okay, so wala tayo ulit nakikita na numerical sa linear term. So alam natin kung ano magiging numerical. How about the constant term? Meron ba kayong nakikita? So, wala. Ibig sabihin, pag walang constant term, ano kayo magiging value ng C? Okay, so tingnan natin. So, identify muna natin yung A, B, and yung C. So, bigyan ko yung time to give the answer. Okay, so check natin. So, ano kayong value ng A? Anyone? So, A is equal to 9. B is equal to positive 1. How about C? Wala tayong nakikitang constant term. So, ibig sabihin, ang C natin ay 0. Okay. Lahat na nakakuha? Okay. Example number 4 tayo. I think na ma-master na natin how to identify the values of A, B, and C. So, ito naman. Okay. Ano masasabi nyo? Ano ang nawawala? Okay, nawawala ang linear term. So, identify natin yung values ng A, B, and C. Go. Identify natin. Yes. The value of A is equal to 1. How about the value of B? Since there is no linear term, the value of B is equal to 0. And the value of C is equal to negative 16. Okay. Nakuha ba lahat? Okay, very good kung nakuha nyo. I think alam na natin how to write the quadratic equation standard form, how to examine, and how to identify the values of A, B, and C. So this time, meron tayong activity. So, i-ready ulit natin yung paper natin and ballpen. Our activity, ang title ng activity ay Klase Game Ka Na Ba? Clear sa atin to. Okay, start tayo. Okay, ano bang mechanics natin? Paano laruin ang Klase Game Ka Na Ba? So, pipili ng kategorya ang guro na sasagutan. So, pipili ako. Ilalagay ng mga mag-aaral ang sagot sa chat box. Pero hindi na natin ilalagay sa chat box, ilalagay na natin sa papel. Bawat tanong ay may katumbas na isang puntos. Nag-aabang sa ika-6 na hakbang or bilang ang jackpot question na kailangan nilang or niyong sagutan na may 3 puntos. Bibilangin ng mga mag-aaral ang kabuuan ng kanilang score sa napiling kategorya. So, kung naintindihan natin students, so ready na ang papel and ballpen? Okay. Okay, our category, identifying A, B, and C. Number 1. Okay, ready tayo. Question number 1. What is the value of B, the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0? Is it 2, 3, or negative 4? Okay. Time go. Okay, the correct answer is 3. Okay, congrats sa mga nakuha. Question number 2. What is the value of A in the quadratic equation x squared plus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0? 1, 7, or 8? Go! Okay, time is up. The correct answer is 1. Okay, congrats sa nakakuha. Question number 3. What is the value of C in the quadratic equation x squared plus 7x is equal to 0? 1, 7, or 0? Go! Time is up. The correct answer is 0. Congrats na. Question number 4. What is the value of B in the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 9 equals 0? 0, 4, or negative 9? Go! Okay, time is up. What is the correct answer? Okay, the correct answer is 0. Okay, congrats. Okay, next question. What is the value of B in the quadratic equation 8x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0? Negative 3, negative 8, or 5? Go! Okay, ano kaya answer? The correct answer is negative 3. Lang na tuwa. Congrats! Okay, let's proceed now to jackpot question. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng solution. Okay, what are the values of A, B, and C in the quadratic equation 5x minus 3 plus 2x squared equals 0? Go! Okay, time is up. Ano kaya yung correct answer? What are the values of A, B, and C? So the values of A is equal to 2, the value of B is equal to 5, and the value of C is equal to negative 3. Sino kayo nakakuha? Congrats! So ngayon, discuss natin tong jackpot question. Yan. So alam naman natin ang standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So kailangan lagi mauuna ang quadratic term, followed by linear term, and followed by the constant term. Then equate natin into 0. So ngayon, yung question natin sa jackpot question, 5x minus 3 plus 2x squared is equal to 0. Kung na-observe nyo, hindi siya nakaayos sa standard form. So, kailangan aayusin natin muna. Unahin natin yung quadratic term. Ano ba ang quadratic term natin? Okay. Yung 2, ahin natin siya. Ano isusunod natin? Siyempre, yung linear term. Ano ba yung linear term? Yung 5x. Okay. Then, ano yung huli? Yung constant term, which is negative 3. Then, equate natin to 0. Pag pinagpapalit lang natin sila, inaayos lang, hindi mo babaguhin ang sign. So, ang ating quadratic equation is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. At ano yung values ng a, b, and c? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to negative 3. Yan. So, ayan yung explanation sa ating jackpot question. So, example tayo. 5x squared plus x is equal to 4. So, anong na-observe natin? Okay, tama. Yung constant term nasa right side. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is ililipat natin yung 4 sa left side. Pag nilipat nyo yung nasa right side papunta sa left side, babaguhin natin yung sign ng constant term. So, ano ang ating quadratic equation? Okay. So, 5x squared plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. The standard form na ba ito? Okay, yes. So, identify natin ang A, B, and C. So, ang value ng A ay 5. The value of B is equal to 1. And the value of C is equal to negative 4. Next example. 8 plus 7x squared is equal to 13x. So, dito, mapapansin nyo, yung linear term ay ililipat muna natin sa left side. Then, meron din kayong mapapansin dyan na ang nauna is yung constant term, then followed by the quadratic term. So, kailangan meron tayong ililipat muna. So, 8 plus 7x squared minus 13x is equal to 0. So, standard form na ba ito? Okay, good. Hindi pa. So, ayusin muna natin sa standard form. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Anyone? Okay. So, 7x squared minus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Next naman, identify natin yung A, B, and C. Anyone? Okay, very good. A is equal to 7, B is equal to negative 13, and C is equal to 8. Very good sa nakakuha. Okay, next example tayo. 3x times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 10. Ano kayang gagawin natin? Anong property ang i-apply natin dun sa left side? Anong operation kaya to? Okay, very good. So, i-multiply natin. So, paano natin i-multiply? Yung 3x, i-multiply natin by x. Then, yung 3x, ay magiging 3x squared. Then, yung 3x, i-multiply natin by negative 2. So, 3 times negative 2, what is the answer? Okay, good. Negative 6. Then, meron pa siyang variable x. So, our answer is negative 6x. Anong property ang in-apply natin dito? Yung in-multiply natin, yung 3x by x, then yung 3x by negative 2. Yes? Ang tawag natin doon ay distributive property. Very good. Then, equate natin into 10. Tapos, anong next? Okay, good. Ililipat natin yung constant term sa left side at babaguhin natin yung side. So, magiging 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0. Then, identify na natin yung A, B, and C. Okay, yes. The value of A is equal to 3. B is equal to negative 6. C is equal to negative 10. Very good, siya nakakuha. Okay, since alam na natin how to rewrite the quadratic equation in standard form, so tandaan natin, pag may nililipat tayong term, babaguhin natin yung sign. Pag inaayos lang natin, hindi natin babaguhin yung sign. Then, meron tayong ina-apply din na distributive property pag i-multiply natin. Okay. So, ready ulit natin yung paper and ball pen. So, this time, pwede tayong maglagay ng solution natin. So, ano ba yung activity 2 natin? So, automatic. So, ano ba ang magiging mechanics natin? Ano ba ang magiging mechanics natin sa automatic? Pindutin ang start upang magsimula sa laro. Pumili ng destinasyon na pagmumulan ng mga tanong. Unawaing mabuti ang nakalahad na tanong at piliin mula sa traffic lights ang tamang sagot. Isulat ang kulay ng traffic light sa papel pag nasa chat box para sa napiling sagot. Okay. If students, pag ready na, so start na tayo. Ayan, start na tayo. Category natin, writing the quadratic equation in standard form. First question. What is the standard form of 2x squared minus 4x equals 9? Sa red ba, 2x squared minus 4x minus 9 equals 0? Sa yellow ba, 2x squared minus 4x plus 9 equals 0? Or sa green, 2x squared plus 4x minus 9 equals 0? Go! Okay. Time is up. Now, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is red. Okay, kung wala sa mga nakuha. Question number 2. What is the standard form of 5x squared minus 1 equals 12x? Sa red ba? 5x squared minus 1 plus 12x equals 0. Sa yellow ba, 5x squared minus 12x minus 1 equals 0? Or sa green, 5x squared plus 12x plus 1 equals 0? Go! Time is up. Okay? Ano kayong tamang sagot? The correct answer is yellow. Congrats sa mga nakakuha. Next question. What is the standard form of 2x plus 8x squared equals 7? Sa red ba? 8x squared plus 2x plus 7 equals 0? Sa yellow ba? 8x squared minus 2x minus 7 equals 0. Or sa green, 8x squared plus 2x minus 7 equals 0. Go! time is up. Ano kaya correct answer? Okay, tingnan natin. Sa red ba? Yellow ba? Or green? Okay, green. Congrats sa mga nakakuha. Next question. What is the standard form of 6 equals x minus 9x squared? Sa red ba? 9x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. Yellow ba? 9x squared minus x plus 6 equals 0. Or sa green, 9x squared plus x plus 6 equals 0. Go! Time is up. The correct answer is sa red ba? Sa green ba? Or yellow? Okay, yellow. Last question. What is the standard form of 3x times the quantity of x minus 4 equals 2? Sa red ba? 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Sa yellow ba? 3x squared minus 12x plus 2 equals 0. Or sa green, 3x squared minus 12x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, go! Okay, time is up. The correct answer is red ba? Green ba? Okay, sa green. Okay, congratulations. Okay, pagbate, ikaw ay nakarating na sa iyong destination. So, I hope maraming natutunan tayo how to write the quadratic equation in standard form. Alamin natin yung mga natutunan natin. So, now we know. So, quadratic equation is an equation where the high exponent of the variable is 2. A quadratic equation has, for ax squared, ang tawag natin doon ay quadratic term. For bx, ang tawag natin doon ay linear. And yung c, ang tawag naman natin doon ay constant term. Then, we all know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b, and c are real numbers at ang a hindi dapat magiging 0. For our quiz activity, ready tayo ng papel. So, ang gagawin natin para sa ating quiz activity, we are going to write each quadratic equation in standard form and identify the values of a, b, and c. So, meron tayong 5 question. So, student, picturean nyo muna, then mag-ready ulit ng papel para sa activity. Then, may ipapasa ako sa GC natin na Google Form link para doon i-upload ang inyong quiz activity. So, student, pag ready na, picturean na, and good luck sa gagawin na quiz activity. So, ipapasa mamayang hapon yan. So, iwanan ko muna kayo ng quotation of the day. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Okay? So, student, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa next nating online class. So, maraming salamat.